Hello and welcome to the App Development and Data Science program with Python. In this particular video program, you will be exploring Python right from the basics and taking your journey to becoming a pro developer in Python. Okay, so it's not a new thing to understand that Python is the market leader now, and there are so many reasons for that. Okay, in this video series, we shall cover the basic coding with Python, collections, control flow and loops, object-oriented programming concepts, threads, and GUI programming basics. Besides, we will also cover data science introduction, Python libraries for data science, data visualization, presentation, and various libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and so on and so forth. Okay, so if you see, we are also going to look at various tools which we are going to use for Python, like Jupyter Lab, VS Code, that is Visual Studio Code, Jupyter Notebook, SQL Server, MySQL, various frameworks we are going to discuss like Django and so on. So if you go back a little bit, if you look at the Python basic coding, it is mainly what you have done in your previous experience. Now, maybe if you have learned C language or C++, you have already done a lot of basic coding, okay? But there is a difference. In the C or C++, we don't really talk much about collections, okay? But in Python, it is more about collections. It is more advanced control flow and loops with dictionaries and lists, etc. So there can be so many scenarios that we'll be discussing wherein you are going to use Python to the fullest. All right. So you are also going to understand how Python is different in terms of syntax, in terms of exception handling, and so on and so forth. So if you look on the right side, we are going to actually do a lot of work with the data science related aspects. Like if you look at NumPy, you will understand why NumPy is important and how it is a competitor to Excel maybe. Because if you think about it, if you want to do some basic data related calculations, NumPy does the calculations for you in a jiffy, right? So you don't have to worry about it. Pandas is, for example, when you want to show data in a tabular format, we call it as a data frame, and that's what you're going to learn under Pandas. And Matplotlib is the de facto library for data visualization. Okay, so I am sure that you are all geared up to learn Python to the fullest, and you can actually go in two directions, right? You can do Python for web development, or as we also mentioned here, it can be done also for data science related, data analytics related programs, okay? So friends, this is a quick introduction to Python programming. There is a lot for you in the programs that are compiled in the videos that we have in this series, okay? So why to wait? Let's get started to learn Python and become a data scientist or become a web developer using Python. So I'll see you in the video series very soon. Thank you.